Yun ang maganda dun, talagang nadala niya ang dress.
Tapos she's also like the shoulder to cry on. Yes, oh yes, she came, she saw, and she conquered, right, Mare? This is Awad Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and you
Brosas.
are watching the Sunday edition of the TT Show. Taraya Natalia and Showbiz Edition. Ang talagang she came, she saw, she conquered during the Roja
Mm.
special screening and grad media conference was ang tunay na ama kabugera,
Taray.
Maymay Entrata.
May
At bakit siya
pag-awit.
ama kabugera, Mare? Paano nga ba siya nangabog nung gabing
Well, she
yon?
had people
Gawking
stop,
at her.
looked, and listened.
At her.
Diba? Kasi she came in a decisively orange outfit
Yes, di ba?
that exposed her dangerous curves.
Yes.
Can you imagine 3 sexy things in one dress?
Ano-ano ba ito?
Bareback!
Okay.
Ukang-uka ang dress sa likod.
Oo.
Di ba?
Parang nasa dulo na ng spinal column niya yung pagka-bareback.
Oo. Pangalawa, di ba? Plunging ang neckline. Parang
Diba?
half the breast na is ano.
Oo.
Di
Ang
ba?
neckline na talagang best in cleavage exposure.
Oo. Ang lalim, di ba? Pangatlo, hindi knee-high ang ang slit. Thigh-high.
Thigh-high.
Diyos ko,
Talagang
nakakaloka.
show off ng legs for days ni
Oo.
Maymay Entrata.
Iba. Talagang parang she had everybody startled.
Yes.
Diba? Parang,
I think everyone was in a way shocked and then surprised because who would have thought that she could exude that kind of sexiness that does not look cheap.
yeah.
And hindi ang starlet ang galawan. Diba? It was classy, it was sophisticated.
Oo.
Diba?
Tsaka,
And she was so well put together.
oo. Tsaka hindi. Ang ano doon is, hindi lahat nakakarry ang
Yun nga.
orange.
Yes.
Diba? Not everybody can carry an orange outfit.
The last time I
Diba?
saw a Hollywood actress carried an orange outfit was Charlize Theron
Ay,
during
beautiful
the
naman.
Oscars wearing a Vera Wang orange gown. Yun ang level nung dating ni Maymay. Very Vera Wang.
Oo, ang
Diba?
ganda.
At yung, iba yung sophistication.
Oo. Tsaka hindi for somebody, may pagkabata pa rin naman si bata-bata pa naman. 20-something lang yan di ba? At tsaka, tawag dito, hindi naman she did not come from an affluent family. Pero she can pull it off with class and sophistication, di ba? Yun ang maganda doon, talagang nadala niya ang dress.
Class and sophistication naman is something that you can learn. Practice makes perfect Lalo na sa mga
Pero iba pa rin ang
sa
innate.
lalahan, di ba?
Iba pa rin ang
Well, the innate in her is the fact that because prior to her wearing this, she has walked the runway.
Oo,
She
kaya
had
may
runway and
confidence
modeling
na
experience. Kaya di ba? Iba na yung kumpiyansa, iba na yung galaw, iba na yung imbay. Kasi nga, nakarampa na
Tsaka tawag dito, whoever thought of that dress, dapat pasalamatan niya, di ba?
Kasi maximum ang audience impact. At isa pang maximum na audience impact, ang ganda-ganda ng role niya.
Oo, sous chef.
Oo, sous chef. Tapos BFF ni Donnie Pangilinan.
Tapos may action scenes.
May action scenes. Tapos she's also like the shoulder to cry on of Donnie's character. Liam si Donnie.
Yeah,
diba?
Liam Olsen si
Olsen si So, ang
Si
ganda ng
Kyle.
dynamics ng friendship nila. I don't know if this character ay lalawig na maging lovey-dovey sila or maintain na maging BFF.
Pero ang sinabi niya doon sa MediaCon is that she loves action
And she loves to do more action
and
films.
may action scenes siya dito. Tapos sabi niya may knife involved kasi nga chef siya, 'di ba? Tapos 'di ba may mga arnis-arnis tayong fight scene na nakita sa kanya. 'Di ba parang dream come true para
Mhm.
sa kanya yung kanyang character, 'di
True.
ba? At saka ano, tawag dito, ah, parang yung sous chef, caring-caring niyang ano yun.
Mm.
Pero yung ano, the thing to watch out for is yung mga fight scene.
Actually, kasi parang
Kasi may
she's
siege na mangyayari,
oo.
'di ba?
Saka kasi ano, parang she's like so dainty, 'di ba?
Mm.
Tapos balingkinitan.
Oo.
So gusto ko makita yung power niya sa yun yung something to look forward to, yung power niya at yung angas niya sa fight
Oo
scenes.
nga.
'Di ba?
Ano yun na parang nag-training nga siya, 'di ba?
Mm.
Talagang inano niya kinarir niya, 'di
Oh.
ba?
And I also love the dynamics that he shares with both Kyle and Donnie. Kasi
Mm.
tropa sila, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Like, pare-pare.
Oo.
Pare ang tawagan nila,
Mm.
silang tatlo. And parang siya ay yung nasa middle,
Yeah.
na sinusunod ni Donnie, sinusunod ni Kyle. Ang
Mm.
ganda ng friendship nila. Sana,
Maganda yung dynamic ng kanilang relationship sa isa't isa
Mm.
in the show.
Oh. So tingin mo yung characters ni Donnie at ni Liam and the characters of Maymay would be romantically entangled? May
Baka.
possibility.
Baka.
And that's good. That's a good news, ha?
Mm.
Diba makikita na Donnie working with somebody else.
Oo. Parang, although si ano nandun na.
Oo, diba? Yung premiere, Belle was there.
Si Belle was there.
Siyempre.
To show support, di ba?
Siyempre, alam mo na yun. Inutos.
Aray ka!
You have to be there.
Hello ka.
Play the part of like a supportive leading lady.
Ay,
Diba? And I'm
ganun.
sure, sa premiere night ng movie nila, ni Belle, rin si Donnie. Kasi pag wala kay Donnie doon,
Anong premiere night?
di ba magkaroon sila ng premiere night, si Belle may movie with Inay Maria.
Tapos na.
Oh. Nandun ba kay Donnie?
I don't know.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Kung wala doon si Donnie, alam na.
Oh, well, di supporting each other lang yun, loka-loka.
Diba yun nga,
Ano
di sila
pa ba?
support each other. Pero kung wala kay Donnie ng premiere, di nanood, alam na this. Love team lang talaga. For show. For
Ganon?
pampakilig. But they're not like, entangled together.
Ay! Diyos ko, nakakaloka.
Diba? Sa akin rin naman. Donnie naman. Sa gwapo ni Donnie.
Ang gwapo nga, no?
Diba?
At saka when he talks to you, he
Every time Donnie
looks at you in the eye.
parang gusto niya sabihin, mahal ka niya.
Ay! Ganun ang dating?
Oo, sa akin.
Ay nako, Paulo, meron dito ano. Diyos ko. Nakakaloka.
But ang nakakatuwa lang is that who would ever thought this little probinsyana before would be getting this kind of break, no?
Oo.
Maymay is living proof that dreams do come true for people with talent and people with passion. Diba? Lalo na talagang dinasal niya, pinangarap niya, naging totoo, at talagang pinaghuhusayan niya. Yun ang sa akin, yun ang kahanga-hanga kay Maymay Entrata.
Alam mo, ito na-realize ko ha. Kasi sabi mo nga, di ba, probinsyana siya. Halos lahat ng probinsyana,
Bumongga.
iba ang ano, they were driven, they were ambitious, and they were successful.
At iba ang level of success because the biggest probinsyana of them all na naging national artist for film and broadcast arts at naging superstar pa forever ay ang nag-iisang Nora Honor na
Diba?
noong unang panahon nagbebenta lang ng ice water sa railroad ng Iriga.
Pero,
Look
when
what happened to her.
entered, di ba?
Talagang sinira
Iba.
niya ang mistisa template ng showbiz. And the rest is history.
Binarag
So,
niya.
hindi natin makasabi kung talagang kapala. Of course, Maymay may not be able to replicate the superstardom
Nobody will.
of Nora Honor. But the fact is, she came from humble beginnings, who is a dreamer, who is slowly but surely realizing her dreams because of talent, passion, and prayers.
Yun ang ano ko, yun ang notice ko. Look at Kim.
Yeah,
Diba?
from Cebu.
From Cebu.
Sa rin yan.
Iba, di ba? Talagang bumongga. Sino pang ano, naiisip mo? Di ba yung from the province?
Oo.
Talagang, di ba iba yung ano, iba yung, di ba? Of course, there are singers, like si, Dulce, di ba?
Yes. Oo.
Kinonquer niya yung music.
Madam
Diba?
Pilita, Pilita Corrales.
Tita Pilita, di ba?
At ang gusto ko sa kanila, talagang they're proud of their roots. Hindi nila itinatanggi Bisaya sila.
Oo, di ba?
Diba?
Parang, Iba yung ano nila eh.
Iba yung drive.
Iba yung drive.
Iba yung drive, iba yung hunger.
Oo. At saka ano, there is always a room for improvement. Talagang nag-i-improve sila
Oo.
all through the years.
Diba? At ang maganda nga kasi kay Maymay is that passionate siya about her art.
Mm.
Kaya hindi niya tinitigilang mag-aral,
Yeah.
matuto, pag-igihan ng mga ginagawa niya.
Isa pang ano si Melay Cantiveros.
Yes.
'Di ba? Talagang ay pag nakahawak ng mic, Diyos ko, gugulong ka sa katatawa,
Oo.
iba.
Yes.
Talented ang mga ano no, mga taga-probinsya talagang
Mm.
they will prove to you na ano, I'm worth
They will
your
prove
time.
us wrong.
Diba?
More than so many times already. Diba?
Iba sila.
So, Maymay Entrata, congratulations on your beautiful career, and we hope that more successes come your way. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kamaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching the Sunday episode of the TT Show, Tariana Talakian Showbiz Edition.